It sounds real good, the bass is good, the lights are cool. You can put it in a swimming pool. It's a waterproof speaker. Does this count as my first tech review? Anyway, none of that really matters right now. Let's talk about a place called MOAB. MOAB is one of those places that'll just make you feel really small really quick. You're just exposed to so many of the elements, you're surrounded by ginormous canyons and rocks, and it's just a landscape unlike anything I've ever seen in my life. Some of these rock formations are, well, hold on. Yeah, at the deepest part of some of these canyons, it's estimated that the rocks were formed somewhere from 286 to 320 million years ago. So if that doesn't make you feel small and insignificant, I don't know what does. And this could be depressing, but it also can just be extremely liberating. Since I've started this journey towards making videos and just following this creative passion that I really love, I've met a lot of other creators that have the same fears I do, whether it's fear of just posting their first video or taking a creative risk, being different, really just putting any artwork out there. There's this fear that we all have, and I guess I'm just realizing life's way too short to not take those risks, to worry about what people think about my videos or my photos or my life. The universe is just way too big to be worried about some of the things I worry about. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. I'm trying to come up with a slogan to end with. I don't really have one solidified yet, so for now we'll just go with, don't forget, every day is magical. Thanks for watching.